समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, Lotus News Channel, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV, and through two-way video conferencing in many places through having Nayana Diksha, cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Toronto, Kailasam, San Jose, Madurai, Surrey, British Columbia, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Singapore, Singapuram, Seattle, Chidambaram, Ohio, Prayag, San Diego, Tirualavai, Calgary, Amarnath, New Zealand, Adi Arunachalam, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Bogota, Colombia, New York, Varanasi, Seattle, Chidambaram, New Zealand, Adi Arunachalam, Bangalore, Malleshwaram, Calgary, Amarnath, Enriching Temple, Bidadi, Dakota Dunes, Devon, UK, Eva, Halasi, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai, New York, Varanasi, Bangalore North, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Riverside, California, San Diego, Tirualavai. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today the 22nd batch Inner Awakening, the Inner Awakening level 4 first batch, second day. Program is going. It has started much better than I expected. And it's going much better than my plans. Of course, I don't plan, so in a way I can say that as it is planned itself. I wanted to complete with all the television viewers, visitors. I committed with you all that from December 1st, you will get my satsangs in your language. I sincerely wanted to apologize and complete with you all that it did not happen because my assistants have failed me, but there is no because I failed, that's all. And I commit with you guys soon, in very few days. In very few days, you will start listening to the satsang in your language. I'll work and make it happen. Let us all create a space through the meditation for Mahadeva, Mahakala, Dakshinamurti to land and answer our questions. Do the Akashic readings. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Sit in the space of Upanishad. Just sitting.
Dear Mahadeva Dakshinamurti, can you please enlighten us on what is listening from the cosmic perspective?
Listening is listening to the experience the other person is trying to impart into you without even using the ears, just using your natural ability to listen to the other person. By your innate natural ability, you can listen, see, receive information just using your third eye and the organ related to your third eye, brain, without the use of any other organs. When you are listening, trying to listen, put your whole effort on listening through your third eye.
Dear Mahadeva Kalabhairava, Dakshinamurti, can you please enlighten us on how we can authentically listen to ourselves and to others every moment of life?
When you learn authentic listening to others, you will learn authentic listening to yourself. The listening is interrupted usually by inauthenticity, inauthenticities of various levels, vested interests, fears, favors, greed, and inadequate cognitions. When you are listening to others, put all of that out and only listen. By listening to others, you will learn authentic listening. That way, you will be able to listen even to you authentically. But first, listening authentically should start from listening to others. Then you will learn listening to yourself.
Dear Mahadeva Dakshinamurti, can you please enlighten us on how we can complete with physical disease, especially if there is physical pain?
Listen to that part of your body which is not flowing blissfully, which is not flowing with health. Listen to that part. Ask exactly what that part wants just by listening to the different parts of your body. You can align all of that to health.
Dear Mahadeva Dakshinamurti, can you please enlighten us on how we can become more aware and complete with incompletions from our past lives and their grip and hold on our present life?
Question how, as only one complete answer, that is Guru's grace.
मोक्षसिद्धये असङ्गोऽहम् 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 पुनः पुनः सच्चिदानन्दरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः नित्यशुद्धविमुक्तोऽहम् निराकारोऽहमव्ययः भूमानन्दस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः नित्योऽहम् निरवध्योऽहम् निराकारोऽहमच्युतः परमानन्दरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः शुद्धचैतन्यरूपोऽहम् आत्मा रामोऽहमेव च अखण्डानन्दरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः प्रत्यच्चैतन्यरूपोऽहम् शान्तोऽहम् प्रकृते परा शाश्वतानन्दरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः तत्त्वातीतः परात्माहम् मध्यातीतः परः शिव मायातीतः परञ्ज्योतिः अहमेवाहमव्ययः नानारूपव्यतीतोऽहम् चिदाकारोऽहमच्युतः सुखरूपस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः माया तत्कार्यदेहादि मम नास्त्येव सर्वदा स्वप्रकाशैकरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः गुणत्रयाव्यतीतोऽहम् ब्रह्मादीनां च साक्ष्यहम् अनन्तानन्तरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः अन्तर्यामि स्वरूपोऽहम् कूटस्थः सर्वकोऽस्म्यहम् परमात्मस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः निष्कलोऽहम् निष्क्रियोऽहम् सर्वात्माद्यः सनातनः अपरोक्षस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः द्वन्द्वादिसाक्षिरूपोऽहम् अचलोऽहम् सनातनः सर्वसाक्षिस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः प्रज्ञानघन एवाहम् विज्ञानघन एव च अकर्ताहम् अभोक्ताहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः निराधारस्वरूपोऽहम् सर्वाधारोऽहमेव च आप्तकामस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः तापत्रयादि नानारूपव्यतीतोऽहम् चिदाकारोऽहमच्युतः सुखरूपस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः माया तत्कार्यदेहादि मम नास्त्येव सर्वदा स्वप्रकाशैकरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः गुणत्रयाव्यतीतोऽहम् ब्रह्मादीनां च साक्ष्यहम् अनन्तानन्तरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः अन्तर्यामि स्वरूपोऽहम् कूटस्थः सर्वकोऽस्म्यहम् परमात्मस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः निष्कलोऽहम् निष्क्रियोऽहम् सर्वात्माद्यः सनातनः अपरोक्षस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः द्वन्द्वादिसाक्षिरूपोऽहम् अचलोऽहम् सनातनः सर्वसाक्षिस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः प्रज्ञानघन एवाहम् विज्ञानघन एव च अकर्ताहम् अभोक्ताहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः निराधारस्वरूपोऽहम् सर्वाधारोऽहमेव च आप्तकामस्वरूपोऽहम् अहमेवाहमव्ययः तापत्रयाविनिर्मुक्तो देहत्रयविलक्षणः अवस्थात्रयसाक्ष्यस्मि चाहमेवाहमव्ययः दृग्दृश्यौ द्वौ पदार्थौ स्तः परस्पर विलक्षणौ दृग्ब्रह्म दृश्यं मायेति सर्ववेदान्तडिण्डिमः अहं साक्षीति यो विद्यात् विविच्चैवं पुनः पुनः स एवामुक्तसन्धिद्वान् इति वेदान्ताडिण्डिमः घटकुट्यादिकं सर्वं मृत्तिकामात्रमेव च तत्त्वब्रह्म जगत् सर्वम् इति वेदान्ताडिण्डिमः ब्रह्म सत्यं जगन्मिथ्या जीवो ब्रह्मैव नापरः अनेन वेद्यं सच्चास्त्रम् इति वेदान्ताडिण्डिमः अन्तर्ज्योतिः बहिर्ज्योतिः प्रत्यज्योतिः परात् परः ज्योतिर्ज्योतिः स्वयं ज्योतिः आत्मज्योतिः शिवोऽस्म्यहम् स्वस्ति श्रीमच्छङ्कराचार्य विरचित ब्रह्मज्ञानावलीमाला स्तोत्रम् सम्पूर्णम्। ब्रह्मज्ञानावलीमाला
Open your eyes. I bless you all to be Niraharis. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching with eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/life